do I think dancing outside can bring to schools at this time? Well, when I'm dancing, my body is curious, it's open, it's active, and it's sensitive. And this kind of body in nature allows for this kind of attentiveness, a kind of noticing, a kind of connecting or witnessing that leads to an embodied, experiential kind of learning. We learn as we notice the cycles in nature. It teaches us about resilience, about vulnerability, about serenity, about chaos, about relationship, about like symbiotic or balanced relationship. And these things all exist within us as well. And it's a reminder of that. And it's a reminder of the wild in us. I kind of liken dancing outside to this process in gardening called hardening, this exposure to the environment. So in the spring, when we want to plant our seeds, they grow into these little baby seedlings because we take care of them, we learn about what they need. And then with the goal of eventually planting them permanently outside, we expose them a little bit every day to the new environment. As we do so, we notice what the baby plant needs, which part exactly to put it in, how much sun, how much water, how much sleep it needs, how much shade, and we notice this and we adapt. Yeah, the plant is also adapting as it grows and hardening and becoming more and more resilient and hard to this environment, but also becoming more like the environment that it's exposed to. And I believe that this exists within us. And I think it would be beneficial for kids at this time, for students, for humans in general, to be exposed in this way.